Hello everyone, welcome in this new video. The topic of this video today is equipment with Citect Studio, the new interface, the new Citect Studio. So in this video I will show you a quick example how to set up an equipment and what is the main benefits to use equipment on Citect. So let's jump on my screen and I will show you all the tips. So in my Citect Studio today I have equipment demo project which I defined already previously. What I want to do now, I want to show you where I define my equipment. So it's on the system model and we can see all the model already defined and in the grid of the studio. So the first thing to do is go to an equipment editor when you want to add a new equipment. So you can add your equipment like that, new equipment, and you define the path. So for example, if you want to create a new node production, you do production dot the name of your equipment PAM10 for this. I use a type already predefined in Citect, drive. I will show you the type later. And here I can fill in the name, but I can show you another feature which is interesting. When you drag and drop, you change the path name. So for example, I'm moving the production folder to my plan and I can see the path my plan point production point 10. In the equipment field here you can fill in the cluster name, the tag prefix for all items, and the IO device. So this is the three main important things. You define the range of your drive. For example, this alarm PV, so going to 0 to 100%, and the alarms, which level of high alarms or low alarms are defined. When you are done, you save your project, Control S. And we can see here in the model, my equipment is defined. So this is the device. I can change as well, edit the equipment here and the grid of the Citect Studio. And we can see here the name, the tag prefix, etc. So the second part really important is the equipment type. You can use a predefined, but you can define your own, or you can customize the predefined one. So for example, here I'm selecting the top item and I can add an element like a digital alarm for this. And I copy paste this information, like you put the equipment tag prefix, underscore the name of your item. For the tags, the name, the description, and the variable tag A, and you add the cluster as well. When you are doing this, you modify the type drive. So all equipment using drives will change and will create a new alarm for the stopped item. Before generating tags, variables, and chains, by clicking Update Equipment, I will show you what I have in variables, alarms, and chains, nothing. To generate tag, I just click Update Equipment. And now we can see in my variables, we have the tag generated. On my alarms, we can see the new item stopped for the digital alarm for all my drive equipment, including PAM10. We have as well other alarms like analog alarms, and the chains tags generated automatically via equipment. So if you have any question about this topic, just please share your questions in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching and see you for the next video.